Have you ever walked into the wrong practice and accidentally became the star player of a sport you've never played? So, I signed up for a casual dodgeball league at the community center because I'm decent at hiding behind people and I needed the cardio. I'm looking for court B, but I take a wrong turn and walk onto a muddy field where 30 guys in full pads are doing high-speed drills. It's the local semi-pro rugby team. Before I can even check my phone for the room number, the coach, a man who looks like he eats gravel for breakfast, screams at me to get in the line and show some heart. I'm too terrified to tell him I'm just looking for a foam ball and a juice box, so I drop my bag and start running. We're doing a tackling drill, and when it's my turn, I trip over a clump of grass and fall face first. By pure luck, I accidentally take out the team's star defender by his ankles. The coach blows his whistle so loud, I think my ears are bleeding. He grabs me by the shoulder and yells, "Finally, a player who isn't afraid to get dirty. That's the low-impact efficiency we've been missing." I don't even know what rugby is, but I just nod and say, "It's all about the physics, coach." I show up to the game on Saturday just to hand my jersey back, but the team is short a player, and they literally push me onto the field. I spend 40 minutes sprinting in circles just to stay as far away from the massive humans chasing me as possible. Apparently, my elusive lateral movement, which was actually just me having a full-blown panic attack, is a tactical masterclass. At one point, the ball hits me in the chest, and I sprint toward the parking lot to find my car, but I accidentally cross the goal line instead. The crowd goes wild. Now, I'm the starting wing for the rest of the season. The local sports blog even called me a visionary of the open field. I tried to tell the captain I don't even know the rules, and he just winked and told me to keep playing the mental game. So yeah, I went looking for dodgeball, and now I'm the MVP of a sport that involves being trampled for fun. They don't know my real name, but in the league, they call me the Ghost.